Okay, so welcome back to the Thanksgiving after table. All right, now at this point in time, everybody's like, oh, what are we going to do with all the turkey leftovers? I know. So same thing in our family too, right? So remember that sage butter that we made? Well, that's going to come in handy because right here, the last yummy bits of that sage butter is going to go on a toasted piece of bread, and we're just going to spread that around a little bit. All right, and then is going to go our last little bits of our turkey. So oh, and look at this. We were privileged enough to get some of that yummy stuff left over. Okay, now before we put our last layer of turkey, remember that cranberry relish we made, guys? Well, guess what? Our cranberry relish is going to go on, and it's going to act almost like a chutney. How cool is that? And then our last little bits of turkey, right? And then guess what else we have left over? We usually have this left over because in our family, not everybody likes turkey dress, or they like the gravy, but I love it. And so we heated this back up, and we're going to pour over our sandwich our lovely turkey gravy. Let's give that a taste test, shall we? Woo, woo, woo! Oh, I'm excited about this. And guys, if you are just sick to death of a plain turkey sandwich and wondering what in the world to do with that luscious turkey that's left over, well, this open-faced, beautiful turkey sandwich is the way to go. You know what? I would roast a turkey and make the relish just to have this sandwich. True that, you guys. Oh my goodness sake. So good. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed all of the videos that we brought you sharing our Thanksgiving with you. And I hope that you have subscribed to the channel. Leave me a comment and a like and tell me how it's turning out for you. And you know what? What a blast this has been this Thanksgiving season. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.